Hey, I'm Christopher Wilkerson. I'm a career coach and workforce development professional with over 20 years of sales and recruitment experience. And today we'll be talking about reinvention, career mobility, and using AI to build the future you deserve. If you're in your 30s, 40s, or 50s and feeling stuck, this is definitely for you. We'll be diving into a practical step-by-step toolkit to help you pivot with purpose. And trust me, you already have more tools than you think. First, let's start with 5 must-have tools that can immediately upgrade your job search. These are AI-powered, tested, and built to save you hours of frustration. Number 1 is jobscan.co. This tool helps you beat applicant tracking systems by simplifying keyword alignment. To get started, go to jobscan.co. Paste your resume on the left-hand side and the job description you're targeting on the right-hand side. After you hit scan, you'll receive an ATS match score along with specific keywords to add or adjust. This is how you can outsmart the bots and the ATS system that can screen you out before your resume even gets seen. JobScan also offers a LinkedIn optimization tool to improve your headline, summary, and keywords so you show up in recruiter searches more. Next, we have chatgpt. You can prompt it to reframe your resume bullets, generate a compelling LinkedIn resume summary, or brainstorm transferable skills. Simply type a prompt such as rewrite this bullet point to show impact, and it will provide you with a stronger version in seconds. Definitely use it to enhance your resume or LinkedIn profile effectively. Then we have LinkedIn Career Explorer. This tool shows where people with your current titles are moving next. Just enter your job and it'll suggest new career paths and skills to build on. It's great for getting unstuck and seeing your pivot possibilities. Then there's Teal HQ. Teal HQ is a all-in-one power career platform designed to help job seekers optimize their resumes, track their applications, and manage the entire job search process more strategically. Think of it as an AI resume grader that will spot red flags, missing skills, and even provide tailored feedback. One of my favorite features about Teal is the Chrome extension. When you're browsing LinkedIn, Indeed, or company job boards, you can save the job listing instantly to your tracker without breaking your flow. Then there's Crystal Knows. Use this tool for personalized messages for networking or cold outreach that don't sound robotic. It's a personality AI tool that analyzes public data like LinkedIn profiles and resumes to help you communicate more effectively. So Crystal predicts how someone prefers to communicate, preferences such as their tone, structure, and emotional triggers. Note, Crystal Knows isn't about profiling people, it's about personalizing your communication. If you're reaching out to a recruiter or contacting an alum for advice, Crystal can help you craft a more effective message for a better connection by changing your tone and structure. And with this new job fit feature, it can help you apply with confidence. All 5 of these tools share one mission to help you tell a clearer, more confident, and competitive career story faster and with less stress. Bottom line, these tools don't replace you, they reveal you. They elevate what you've already built and they help you package it for the career you want next. Now let's talk about the part I feel like people tend to neglect the most: your mindset and strategy. Reinvention isn't about starting from zero, it's about repositioning your value. In doing so, there's 3 things I want you to focus on. The first thing, or the first step, is to map your transferable skills. If you were a operations manager, you already know stakeholder engagement, budgeting, process optimization, and people management. That's going to be gold for you. Number 2, I want you to write out a bridge statement. This is a one-liner that connects your past to your next chapter. For example, after 12 years in a nonprofit organization, I'm using my skills to improve public health systems. My own bridge statement is that I leverage my foundations in education to create workforce programs that turn academic potential into career mobility and economic opportunity. And last but not least, number 3, update your LinkedIn strategically. Your headline isn't your job title, it's essentially your promise to the recruiter and anyone who sees it. For example, you can put down strategic leader, budgeting operations, and open to program management roles. Or in my instance, I have program specialist, workforce development strategist, turning education and training into career mobility and economic opportunities. Let's zoom out for a second. Where are others going? What I'm going to do now is list some of the high potential pivots powered by skill overlaps and current job market trends. First, we have operations. If you have experience, health tech project management may be a good fit for you. You already know how to manage people, timelines, and resources. The healthcare industry, especially digital health, is booming and needs skilled project managers who understand operations and cross-functional collaboration. So if you are currently an operations lead in retail or just working in operations in general and you're looking to transition into a health tech product manager role, just take a course in digital health and use chatgpt to tailor your resume to clinical trial workflows. If you have experience in customer service, user experience research, or customer success would be good pivots for you. I say this because if you've been on the front lines helping customers solve problems, you've built up gold level insight into people needs or user needs. User experience research and customer service roles are natural next steps, especially in SaaS or software as a service companies. A software as a service company is a company that hosts an application and makes it available to customers over the internet for those who don't know. For example, like Salesforce. If you're a teacher, learning and development or L&D or ed tech strategy may be a good pivot for you. You're already designing learning experiences, adapting to different needs, and managing high pressure environments. The corporate world is hungry for instructional designers, L&D strategists, and educational consultants, especially in tech and healthcare. Let's throw an example in there. Let's say you're a K through 12 teacher. With a few tweaks to your resume, a new LinkedIn summary, you can land a remote job creating onboarding content for a Fortune 500. Next, this is for my HR professionals. People analytics or DEI consultant may be good pivots for you. HR veterans know how to read between the lines, data, culture, systems, and people. Today's most valuable HR functions are analytical and strategic. If you love solving problems with both data and empathy, this path is definitely for you. Example, if you are currently a HR generalist, you can always partner with a different department within your company. If it's big enough, let's say you partner with IT to improve inclusion metrics. Next thing you know, you may be actually speaking at conferences on equity and dashboards. You just never know. A great pivot for writers is content strategy or prompt engineering. And I say this because if you've been a journalist, copywriter, or even a blogger, you're already skilled at understanding audiences, breaking down complex ideas, and crafting compelling messages. Those same skills are now prioritized in AI companies, brand strategy, and tech education. Why now may be a good time to pivot. According to Autodesk, AI mentions and job listings are up 56% in 2025. And McKinsey found that AI increased demand for cognitive skills by 37% and social emotional skills by 5%. Translation, your real world wisdom is rising in value. If you are thinking about pivoting and you made it this far, I want you to choose one of these today. Use chatgpt to assist with mapping your transferable skills. Run your current resume through JobScan, draft your bridge statement, and post it in the comments below, and I'll give you feedback. Just choose one of those. Remember, you don't have to have it all figured out. You just need to take one intentional step forward. It's all about action. And I know there's a lot going on with regards to the job market and this and that, but you know what? All you can do is control the controllable. Just know that your career isn't stuck. It's just waiting for you to rethink the way you tell your story. In the next video, we'll be tackling the big one, how to pivot without going broke or feeling burnt out. Hit subscribe and I'll see you there soon.